Hello friends, it's Running Kimono and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of November the 14th to the 20th. And this is like the third or fourth week of this new ad, which is really hard to decipher. If you don't like it, get in touch with Walgreens, their 1-800 number, or email them because I know a lot of you are really displeased and the power is in our voices. Okay, so the first thing, if you go to your digital coupons folder at the very top, I got this booster on both of my store cards. This one is a 5-back when you spend 20. It's from that window of the 14th to the 20th. Now, if you might be so lucky, these sometimes print out of the Catalina machine. For this, because of that other one is a 20 and this one's 25, I'd have to buy $25 of merch to use both together. But yes, you can use one paper and one digital. So again, this is from the 14th to the 20th. It is of a one-time use, and the paper and the digital both stack. Do not use Walgreens Cash, Store Register Rewards, or IVCs, or it's going to monkey everything up. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. Okay, the first little dealio we're going to talk about is these Hershey's Holiday Candy. I have seen them 2 for $7, so I don't know why this one product is like so expensive, but they have dropped the price for this week. If you are a collector, this Grinch one looks so adorable, or if you're a reseller, this Grinch one is so adorable, and I'm sure that this is going to go very quickly because of the uniqueness of it and the love of the Grinch. How the Grinch Stole Christmas, that story. So grabbing 2 of them, that would be $4.98. There is a $1 off 2 IBC coupon found in page 7 of the Big Book of Savings. Scan that once and it's $3.98 out of pocket. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so this deal is back, $5.25. When you buy 4 of these products, you get back a $6 register reward. On Sunday morning, will we get digital Tide coupons? But we do have this, which is the $1 for the Charmin and the $1 for the Bounty. In the November P&G, both of those coupons have expired on Sunday the 14th. Let's also throw in one of these because it's a store coupon. Why not? We have nothing to lose. And with the store coupon, there's a little booby trap here where you can only use 1 per transaction as well. So if you had like 3 and you wanted to use 3 in this transaction, you can only use 1. Okay, so grabbing 4 of those P&G products, please make sure that 1 is a Bounty and 1 is a Charmin. That's $21 on the nose. Subtracting the $2 digitals that I just showed you in the slides previous, along with 1 store register reward, you're paying $14 out of pocket, getting back a $6 register reward. I think this is a super smart deal. And if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now this deal is rather interesting, $7.99 for these massive PUREXs. We're going to have a $3 off digital coupon and then get back a $3 register reward when you buy 2. Over on IBOTTA, there's $4 back, and that's lasting until the next 6 days. So on Sunday when you go to the store, please double, triple check that that rebate is still in your account. And for the fun of it, let's also throw in one of these store coupons. Okay, grabbing 2 of the PUREXs for $15.98, subtracting that $3 digital, 1 store coupon, you're paying $7.98 out of pocket, making the $4 submission to IBOTTA twice, so that's $8 back, plus a $3 register reward. Hi, this is a very good deal. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one, absolutely go for it. And I think even if you don't use that $5 store coupon, it's still like 99 cents per product. If you look at the math, this is a very good deal for some very cheap detergent. And even if PUREX isn't your favorite thing, I mean, gift it to somebody for Christmas. Okay, so this is where it also gets kind of weird. For the next 3 deals, do not use a store register reward because the promotion is spend 10, get back 5, and even though it's different merchandise, a second one will not print. So the first one is these Dove body washes for $7. We're going to have a 3 off of 2 digital on Sunday morning, and it's that same earn 5 when you spend 10. So here it is, guys, grabbing 2 of those body washes for $14 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash as well, pay $1 plus tax, and then get back a $5 store coupon. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, as that is a Unilever product and you will get back extra points. And again, if you wanted to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, ladies, Dove, we're going to be grabbing 2 of these, and there's a 2 off of 2 digital. If you look at the photo, that's the more expensive Dove deodorant. because not everything's listed in this wonderful matchup. Spend 10, get back 5 as well. Over on IBOTTA, there is $1.50 back for this advanced one, so hopefully it's the same one as the photo. Grabbing 2 of the ladies' doves, that's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital, I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash as well. I would pay down the tax, get back $3 from IBOTTA, and then a $5 store register reward. If you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it and photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Next one is with the Garnier 2 for $7. The third one will be half of that, so it'll be $3.50. It will not be $3.99. That's a little something that they throw in there. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital, and it's on that same promotion of spend 10, get back a $5 store register reward. Okay, so grabbing 3 of these guys, that's $10.50. We have that 3 off of 2 digital. You're going to pay $7.50 out of pocket. Get back a $5 store register reward. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. But not the worst deal for like some hairsprays, those sort of treatments by Garnier. Now, unfortunately, I used my 5 off of 2 coupon last week, so I don't know what the expiry date on that is, or did it expire on the 13th, or what it was. But this deal is back. I know in the last week's, the former Red Plum, whatever it's called, savings, there is a 5 off of 2 coupon, like a physical insert coupon. I don't have one, but with that coupon in this deal, you could still get it for free, and it's on the same promotion as well of spend 10, get back 5. Now, with these store register rewards, just to look at a couple other little things, because this guy is a booby trap. It's like an extra little something that they throw in just to confuse the shoppers. I just want to throw some easy things that you could pick up with this. Grab 2 bags of Lay's for $5. Boom, that's a deal. The Creators, they make that Chicago stuff that's caramel and cheese. Get 2 of those for $5. A very delicious addition to your Thanksgiving dinner. You know, just cheap food. And then if you are a coffee drinker, $6.49 for the Starbucks K-Cups, and there's 10 in there. So it drop it down to $1.49 with that store register reward. I think at Meijer it's almost $9.99 for this amount of K-Cups. So this is one product that's really jumped a lot in price. Alrighty, now we have a little freebie for a toothpaste deal. These Crests are $3. It says Crest or Oral-B Dental Care, so I'm hoping some toothbrushes are included. So grabbing 2 of these guys, that's 6 on the nose, subtracting the 3 off of 2 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying 3 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making this free. If you have a little bit of Walgreens cash that you wish to use to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Now let's talk about some hand soap. We're looking at the 7.5 ounces. They're on a BOGO 50% off, and you get back a $4 register reward when you buy 4, and there's going to be a 75-cent digital. So grabbing 4 of them, that's $5.97. They're $1.99 a pop. Subtracting that 75-cent coupon, you're paying $5.22 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.22 for the 4, or 30 cents per. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. The Revlon, this is a monthly deal to buy 15 and to get back a $5 register reward. Even though the word spend is in there, because it's a register reward, yes, you can still use Walgreens cash. So a lot of us have this one, which is a 10 off of 3. So if you might have it, grab 3 of the super lustrous lipsticks, whatever the cheapest lip product that attaches with that digital. That's $22.47, subtracting that 10 off of 3. And I would also throw in a $5 store register reward if you might have it. Pay $7.47 out of pocket and get back your $5 register reward. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it. And let's not forget, a lot of us have been like in trouble here when trying to buy clearance with this. It just doesn't seem to work. So you have to buy regular priced items. So if you need makeup, this might be a deal for you. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Now, this first deal, if there is a high value Olay or Old Spice coupon, I will definitely entertain this on Sunday morning. But to pay $26 and to get $3 off with coupons and a $4 register reward, I will not send you to the store to spend $3.50 per body wash, even using store register rewards or points. It is way, 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 way too much. Maybe they'll gift us a really high value, like 10 off of 4 coupon. Wouldn't that be nice? And this deal is back, $2.99 for the All or Snuggle products. We're going to have $1 digital, dropping it down to $1.99. Usually these products are upwards of like $5.99, just shy of $6. So that is a very good price point. And the gift cards, you get a $5 Walgreens gift card, probably if you buy 25 bucks, two $25 Old Navy, Gap, PlayStation, those. So you spend $50 in gift cards to get that $5 gift card, so not the worst thing. Now, with Thanksgiving right around the corner, they often do this with beers and that sort of thing, that if you buy it for $12.99, you can't use any register rewards or anything because it's alcohol, but you will get back a $4 rebate from the Catalina machine, dropping it down to $8.99. And I believe that Heineken and Stella are the same company. My husband actually does like Stella, so I might pick up a 12-pack for him just as a little Thanksgiving Day surprise, and he'll probably have that right to Christmas because he'll drink like one every other weekend or something very small. And then these little seltzers are $14.99, and there's a $10 mail-in rebate, which would drop it to $4.99. And typically what happens is the manufacturer of Stella or Sunrise, they'll send you back either a gift card for the amount or a check, and it's one per household as well. Okay guys, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.